Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by securing API access and a phone number so you can send and receive messages programmatically. Once that is ready, generate a long-lived API token and record credentials securely. Next, provision a public HTTPS webhook endpoint and configure it in the WhatsApp Cloud Console. This receives inbound callbacks. While you do that, decide whether to use a third-party provider or self-host. Choose based on scale and compliance. Make sure to enable permissions for messages and templates before continuing. Now implement the core flow. Validate webhook signatures and parse incoming payloads, then map those events to your chatbot intents and session state. Once done, route user text, media, and interactive payloads to your NLU or bot engine and construct WhatsApp formatted replies. Make sure message templates are pre-approved for notifications and implement quick replies and list messages per specs. Also add media upload flow. Upload binary. Get media ID, then reference it in replies. This keeps attachments efficient and compliant. Finish by deploying your bot with monitoring, logging, and automatic retries for transient errors. Once deployed, test in stages. First sandbox messages, then a small user group, and finally full rollout while watching delivery metrics and error traces. Make sure you implement secure token rotation and backoff for rate limits. If things go wrong, first verify the webhook URL, token validity, and that your app has the required permissions. Then check HTTP response codes and signature verification to pinpoint failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.